Welcome to SmartDialTech. In this video we will show how to set up your outbound campaign in 2 minutes. Let's get started. Getting started is simple. Log into your SmartDialTech account with your company credentials. Next, go to Applications to complete your setup. Here, you'll connect your Twilio account, which is required to generate your resources for outbound calling. And don't worry, every token is encrypted at rest for security. Once your Twilio resources are ready, the next step is adding team members. This lets you invite colleagues, assign roles, and give them access to manage campaigns. Go to the application page, open the Users tab, and click Add User. Enter their email address. If they're already registered in SmartDialTech platform, their status becomes active right away. If the user is not yet registered in SmartDialTech platform, they'll automatically receive an email invitation to join the platform. The invitation link is valid for 1 hour, after that, it will expire. Before you start using the outbound dialer, it's important to make sure your profile is properly configured. Each user must set their correct time zone to ensure calls are scheduled accurately. To do this, simply go to your profile area. While you're there, you can also personalize your account by uploading a profile picture. Now that your profile is ready, you can create your first outbound campaign. To get started, go to New Campaign. In the form, begin by selecting the application ID. This is important, because your available phone numbers will only appear once the application ID is chosen. Next, enter a unique campaign name. Remember, campaign names must be unique within each application. Then, select the phone number you'd like to use for this campaign and set a start date. You can also define the ring time, that's how long the system will let the phone ring before marking the call as unanswered. Decide whether you'd like to automatically record all calls, and if your agents should have the option to start or stop recordings manually. Finally, add the users from your application who will participate in this campaign. Assign them as either agents or supervisors. Keep in mind that supervisors will not receive calls. Now that your profile is ready, you can create your first outbound campaign by uploading your call list. You can start by downloading the CSV template from the platform. Before uploading, make sure to review the file validation rules. In the CSV file, you can provide phone numbers in one of 2 ways. Fill the country code in one column and the phone number in a separate column, or leave the country code blank and enter the full number including country code, without spaces. There is also a third column called Additional Info, where you can add a JSON data structure, an array of objects. Each object must include a key, a type, and a value. The key and value are free text, while the type can be either string or a link to your CRM tool. This information will be recorded and displayed in the call details page, allowing the agent handling the call to see all relevant data in real time. You've now successfully created your application, invited users, set up a campaign with assigned roles, and uploaded all the contacts your agents will call. The final step is to activate your campaign, so the system can start dialing when the start date arrives. Go to the Campaigns menu and select Activate Campaign when you're ready to launch. And that's it, your agents are now ready to start making calls with the SmartDialTech auto dialer. Finally, go to the dialer page. First, make sure to accept your browser's request to access the microphone. Without this permission, you won't be able to take any calls. Once that's done, simply set your status to Ready, which signals the system that calls can begin. The SmartDialTech auto dialer will then automatically start dialing through your call list and connect calls to the agents. From zero to dialing in under 2 minutes, that's the power of SmartDialTech.